that time again. It's time for a healthy, organic recipe that you can make for your entire family and leave them wanting more. Let's get to it. Here's this week's fabulously delicious fun fact. High sugar diets deplete the body of magnesium, potassium, copper, calcium, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Woo! That is quite the list. People should be consuming between 25 and 35 grams of sugar each day. Is that happening in your house? If you like what you see here today, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date for all we have to offer here at Fabulously Delicious. Today in the kitchen, we're gonna be whipping up sweet potato chocolate smash cookies. And now we have this. Are you ready? I'm going to use 2 cups of oat flour that I made myself in my NutriBullet. These are Bob's Red Mill Organic Extra Thick Rolled Oats, and I'll have these in the description below. 3/4 cup of sweet potato that is softened, 1/2 cup of organic coconut sugar, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1 cup of Enjoy Life mini chips. Of my chocolate chips. Now I'm going to place my dough in a container that's sealed, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Set your oven to 350 degrees. Now that these are ready to go into the oven, minutes later, and we have organic sweet potato chocolate smash cookies, like that. I hope you find these organic sweet potato chocolate smash cookies to be fabulously delicious. If you like this video today on our organic sweet potato chocolate smash cookies, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all we have to offer here at Fabulously Delicious.